in a move that left even the most seasoned political pundits, and apparently her own husband, scratching their heads. Melania Trump recently stepped into the line of fire with a surprise address to the nation. While the halls of power in 2026 are rarely quiet, this particular announcement was a lightning bolt from the blue, positioning herself as a newfound champion for survivors of Jeffrey Epstein. The former First Lady called for transparency and the right for victims to testify. However, the narrative of the sympathetic advocate quickly hit a wall of cold, hard reality. Instead of the warm reception she might have expected, Melania received some devastatingly sharp bad news from the very survivors she claimed to support. The address began with a sharp defensive pivot. Melania sought to dismantle what she labeled as malicious lies, linking her to Epstein's disgraced circle. She took the opportunity to clarify the origins of her marriage, insisting she met Donald Trump by chance at a party in 1998, rather than through an Epstein introduction, in a move that felt quintessentially Trumpian. She even managed to squeeze a promotional plug for her book, Melania, as a definitive source of truth, while she railed against fake images circulating on social media. She seemed to overlook the verified photos of her social history with Epstein and Ghislaine Maxwell. This attempt to scrub her reputation, however, was merely the opening act for a much larger political backfire. The survivors fire back. The bad news arrived swiftly when the survivors issued a blistering response. To those who have spent years in the legal trenches, Melania's call for them to come forward felt less like an olive branch and more like an insult. The survivors pointed out that they have already shown extraordinary courage by filing reports and providing testimony, efforts that have frequently been ignored or suppressed by the powers that be. They characterized Melania's rhetoric as a deflection of responsibility rather than a pursuit of justice. By shifting the burden back onto the victims to speak up yet again, Melania was seen as protecting the powerful individuals who remained shielded from accountability. The irony of the situation was not lost on observers. While Melania was busy calling for Congress to act, she seemed oblivious to the fact that the current administration and the Department of Justice have been the primary obstacles to that very goal. Survivors highlighted the glaring hypocrisy. Of the 6 million Epstein files, roughly 3 million remain unreleased. Furthermore, the DOJ has been criticized for releasing the names of victims while carefully redacting the names of co-conspirators. The survivors' message was clear. They don't need more invitations to speak. They need the government to stop burying the evidence they've already provided. A house divided. Perhaps the most chaotic element of this saga was the internal confusion within the Trump circle. Reports surfaced that the White House and even Fox News were completely blindsided by the speech. Even more startling was the revelation that Donald Trump himself reportedly had no prior knowledge of the announcement. This creates a fascinating, if not ludicrous, contradiction. Melania is demanding the truth be uncovered while her husband continues to dismiss the entire Epstein scandal as a Democrat hoax. By resurrecting the Epstein files in the public consciousness, Melania may have accidentally done what the opposition couldn't. She put her husband's administration in a vice. If Donald Trump ignores his wife's public plea for justice, he risks being seen as silencing a powerful female voice. If he follows her lead, he risks opening a Pandora's box of litigation and testimony that his allies, including figures like Pam Bondi, who has notably refused to testify, have worked tirelessly to keep shut. Ultimately, Melania's attempt to wield the Epstein narrative for her own reputational gain has highlighted the deep-seated corruption she intended to distance herself from, comparing her sudden concern for survivors to a fast food mascot warning against the dangers of grease. Critics noted that the call for transparency rings hollow when the caller is standing in front of a mountain of redacted files. For Melania Trump, what started as a calculated PR move has transformed into a political liability, reminding the nation that in the world of the Epstein files, the truth is the one thing the powerful can't afford to set free.